the coursework page and completing a file upload assignment. This is perhaps the topic we get the most questions about at Cambridge College. Once you learn it, you'll be good with it and you'll never forget it. In the upcoming video, the animated character is going to be demonstrating to you how to complete these tasks and also how to check that your assignment has been successfully uploaded.
I'll show you how to complete a file upload assignment. You'll learn where to find the assignment instructions, as well as the location of the upload tool. Finally, you'll be able to check to be sure your file was successfully uploaded. Your professor may use this type of assignment to collect any completed work, such as essays, multimedia, reports, or research projects. So let's get to it. Wherever you are within your course, select the coursework page. Here, you'll see a list of your assignments. In this case, the Essay 2 assignment is a file upload assignment, so we'll select it. Once inside the assignment, you can see information such as the due date, grading criteria, and instructions. For this assignment, the professor wants us to write a 1,000-word essay on the limitations of modern accounting information systems. So, once your essay is written, we can go ahead and click the upload link. We'll next select the Choose File button. This brings up MyCC Manager, a tool to manage and store any files you have for any of your classes. Since your essay has not yet been uploaded, we'll select the Upload button. Now just navigate to wherever you have saved your essay, choose it, and then click Open. Now you'll see MyCC Manager has uploaded your essay and included it in your folder. To be sure your essay will be included in the assignment, select the checkbox by the file and click the Insert button. In this small pop-up window, a label and description for your file can be added. This allows you to include more information about each file so it's more easily located at a later time. I think my file name is enough information, so I'll go ahead and select Add File. Back on your assignment page, you'll notice your essay file has been attached. To finish this assignment, select this link. Now, it's completed. If you would like to view the document you have uploaded to make sure everything uploaded correctly, select the file and download it. And there you have it. Now you can successfully complete a file upload assignment. You've learned where to find the assignment instructions, as well as the location of the upload tool. You're also able to check to be sure your file uploaded. Thanks for watching.